English can equals
bisa.
fun Indonesian power up. Welcome. Hey friend. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today's superpower is the English can, a green light that becomes Indonesian.
Bisa.
When you whisper,
Saya bisa.
coffee tastes better and stairs feel shorter. Ready? Let's unlock ability in every pronoun. Your goal today. You'll master can with every subject. Save these into muscle memory. Base word, can.
Bisa.
I can.
Saya bisa.
You can, singular.
Kamu bisa.
He can.
Dia bisa.
She can.
Dia bisa.
It can.
Itu bisa.
We can.
Kita bisa.
You can, plural.
Kalian bisa.
They can.
Mereka bisa.
Laugh and learn. Mini dialogue. Listen and echo the Indonesian parts after each pause. A. Can we fix it today? B. Yes.
Kita bisa.
A. Can he join? B.
Dia bisa.
A. What about the printer? Can it work? B.
Itu bisa.
But it needs paper. A. If you focus, you can start now. B. To one friend.
Kamu bisa.
Coach, to the group, team.
Kalian bisa.
A. With a little help, they can finish. B.
Mereka bisa.
Easy. A. And I can bring snacks. B. Perfect.
Saya bisa.
Make coffee. Beat drill. Clap the beat and speak. I'll say English, you fire back in Indonesian. I can.
Saya bisa.
You can, singular.
Kamu bisa.
He can.
Dia bisa.
She can.
Dia bisa.
It can.
Itu bisa.
We can.
Kita bisa.
You can, plural.
Kalian bisa.
They can.
Mereka bisa.
Can.
Bisa.
Culture tips. Tiny tips that save you big confusion. In Indonesian, he and she are both.
Dia.
So both he can and she can are.
Dia bisa.
For teams, use.
Kalian bisa.
For plural you, for we.
Kita bisa.
Includes the listener, exclusive we is.
Kami bisa.
Ability.
Bisa.
Differs from permission.
Boleh.
You can swim.
Kamu bisa.
But you may not enter.
Kamu tidak boleh.
Also, yes.
Bisa.
Can mean venom in other contexts. Here it's the friendly can. Quick quiz. Answer aloud. I'll reveal after the pause. Q. Say you can, singular, in Indonesian. A.
Kamu bisa.
Q. Translate we can. A.
Kita bisa.
Q. How do you say they can? A.
Mereka bisa.
Q. He can? A.
Dia bisa.
Q. It can be fixed. Say just it can. A.
Itu bisa.
Q. The base word can in Indonesian. A.
Bisa.
Q. You can to a group. A.
Kalian bisa.
Q. I can. A.
Saya bisa.
Challenge time. Level up with short lines. Say them with swagger. Say, I can help you now.
Saya bisa membantu kamu sekarang.
Tell a friend, you can finish this.
Kamu bisa menyelesaikan ini.
Cheer your team.
Kalian bisa.
Encourage your group and yourself.
Kita bisa.
Confirm about a device, it can work.
Itu bisa bekerja.
Brag about a friend, he can drive.
Dia bisa mengemudi.
Compliment someone, she can cook.
Dia bisa memasak.
Promise success, they can do it tomorrow.
Mereka bisa melakukannya besok.
Wrap up, you crushed it. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep sprinkling.
Bisa.
Everywhere today, say.
Saya bisa.
Remind a friend.
Kamu bisa.
And rally the crew with.
Kita bisa.
And.
Kalian bisa.
Practice a minute now, then grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.